Good morning students. I welcome you all for today's online session of SST class 3. So now you will open your textbook. As I have told you before, only every time you have to open your textbook, read with me. Page number 11, we will start continents and ocean. I have explained you what is continent and ocean, but today we will see in detail. So what is a continent? See, now I have told you our earth, the most of the part, that is 3 parts of the earth, is covered with water and remaining one part is land. So the entire land of the earth, or we can say the large areas of the land of the earth, are called continents, and very large areas of the earth covered with water are called oceans. Now the entire land area of the earth has been divided into continents. Now how many continents we have? We have 7 continents. So there are total 7 continents in the world. First is Asia, second is Africa, third is North America, South America, fifth is Antarctica, Europe, and last Australia. Means we have total 7 continents. How many continents? 7. Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America, and Antarctica. So you will learn all these 7 continents. Now among these 7 continents, Asia, we live on which continent? We live on Asia continent, and that continent is the world's largest continent. So Asia is the world's largest continent. So on page number 11, all of you will read this paragraph and you will see one image. Now see this. Here on this map they have given nicely. See, North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, South America, Australia, and here downside, see, this is Antarctica. So these are the 7 continents of the world. This blue part, see, this blue part is all oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Southern, Indian, all these different ocean, Arctic Ocean, all these are shown on this one map only. So now I will explain you. All of you will now open page number 12. Now one zoom in part is given there. See here, zoom in part they have given. So we'll see what they are saying. Now I have told you 3 parts of the earth is water and 1 part is only land. As much amount is covered with water, so our planet is also called the blue planet. What it is called? Blue planet. Now why it is blue planet? Because most part of the earth is covered with water. Understood? Now oceans, we will see. Now I told you the earth covered with water is called oceans. Now there are total 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. All the ocean contains large amount of water, and again the largest ocean is which? Pacific Ocean. So you will learn all the names of these 5 oceans, and largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Now see students, all these oceans cover large amount of water, but we cannot drink ocean water. Why? Because this is because the ocean water is too salty and we cannot drink salty water. We need a fresh water. So understood? How many oceans? 5 oceans. 7 continents, 5 oceans. This name should be learned by you. And which is the largest continent? Asia. And which is the largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. So we have seen water, continents, and ocean. And also one more point, remember, our earth is called the blue planet because most of the part is covered with water. Now students, you understood what are continents, what are ocean. But you might be thinking, how do we study this? How do we study an continents? So very simple. How do we study continents and oceans? So globe and map, these 2 things are used to study continent and ocean. Now what is a globe? A globe is a very small model of the earth. See here, this is a globe. What it is? It is a globe. It is a very small model of the earth. It shows the exact shape of the earth. I told you na in previous session also, it resembles like earth only. It looks like earth, and earth has continents. And now see, we know earth has continents and oceans, so mark on it. See, North Atlantic Ocean, these are the continent part. Again, this blue part is the ocean part. So we can study through globe. Now, what is a map? A flat drawing of the surface of the earth. Now see here, map is a flat drawing of the earth's surface on the earth is called map. On page number 10, I have shown you one map. So, sorry, on page number 11. On page number 11, this map is shown. This map shows you the different continents as well as the ocean. Understood? Now I will show you one actual map. See it. So this is a map. Drawing of a earth's surface on a flat paper is called a map. So see students, on map we can locate each and everything. What I have explained you, continents and ocean. So this brown and green part, all these are continents, and this blue part, can you see this blue part? This is oceans. So like this way on a map we can locate each and everything easily. See now, Africa, I will show you continents. Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, North Pacific, North Atlantic, North Pacific, then South Pacific. Like this way, this blue part is the ocean and this remaining brown and green part is continents. And this way we can study on map our earth. Understood all of you? Now, so we'll end it. What we have seen today? Continents and ocean. So there are total 7 continents and 5 ocean. And also earth is called a blue planet. Largest continent, Asia. Largest ocean, Pacific Ocean. And with it we have seen globe and map, because to study continents and ocean we need globe and map. I hope all of you have understood these things. Now you will today learn all the continents, ocean, and try to understand it. Okay, thank you.